Hello everyone and welcome back to event 4 of the PMA Marble Championship. Here we have the distance drag. It may be different to other distance drags events in other marble competitions. All 4 members will be going down at the same time. The furthest member and the least furthest member will be counted, and here's a good example. By the way, if you reach the far side, then it will not count as the furthest marble. We'll just show you the wicked wines. They are away, and see that marble that will not count. Who reached the very far side, they will not count. So it will be the second furthest member who got really close there, and also the least furthest, which adds up to a 188.6 for the wicked wines. Let's see how that stacks up with the Arctic icebergs. Wicked Wines have been having a terrible season, while the Arctic Iceberg's not much better. And it shows here. See, look here, that top marble. Oh no, the second lane jumped out and bumped one of their teammates. And that really halted them. A 166.7. That's significantly worse to the Wicked Wines. Honey Bears will be next up. How they do. They are away, and the marble that was slowest in the track section, just in the very end, went right around all their teammates. You got a very far distance, and all of them were pretty far down the course. A 208.2. That looks really good. We'll see how that will be able to stack up with the rest of the competitors. The Eruptors will be up next. Here away. And that top member. Just look at them. They're here, and then they just jump almost into a second lane. And that could have been a much better run. A 197.7 though, still in second place. Palm Coast will be next up. How will they do? They haven't been doing a great season yet, and they have reached the far side. This is not going to be great for them. See, all 3 of their members not too far down. And a 183.4, that is 5th currently. Not so great. Ocean Critters now. How will they do in the distance drag? They are away, and they will do okay. Not really great. None of their marbles doing well whatsoever. It's just pretty bland from the Ocean Critters. A 172.5, that's 5th currently. Yeah, just not impressive. Summit Seekers, due to the lighting, they look sort of yellow, but they are grey, and they are away now. And look at that final marble. They could have gone even further if one of their teammates hadn't blocked them. See right there, they just bumped each other. But that's still a 202.1. Put them in provisional 3rd. Global Fantasies now. How will they do in the distance drag? They are away, and they have one make it to the end, which is not good, but the rest look pretty consistent. Yeah, what will that be? It will be a 202.9, currently in 3rd, just ahead of the Summit Seeker. Actually, no, they're in 2nd. Must have been a mistake on the graphic there. Anyway, Green Fungi will be up next. How will they do? And they are away, and they have one make it to the end, I'm pretty sure. And the rest didn't look too promising either. Yeah, what will that be? It'll be a 191.7. Actually better than I would have originally thought, but still not great. Stream Strikers. If you haven't realized, we've been going in reverse championship order. Stream Strikers are up now, and that looks really good. What will that be for the Stream Strikers? Everyone sort of really even in the track section, and in the distance part, it's a 205.3. That's 2nd place. And Film Fanatics will be up next. They're away, and chaos for them. One hits the far wall. One, see that top member, they just jump out and then go towards the fan stands. Film Fanatics were having a great season until the last event where they got last, and here they're not doing much better. That is ninth, while the Gear Grinders are up now. And have been having a pretty decent season so far, and they've one hit the end, and the rest look very consistent. So even though they did have one that's cancelled out, the rest will definitely make up for that. A 206.5, that is second. Currently, Electric Energy up now. Only a bronze, but our fourth place in the standings. So consistency is key, and they are showing consistency here in the distance drag. They just went off, and what will that be? It's going to be 193.4. Good job for them. Sapphire Squad will be up next. How will the Sapphire Squad be able to do? They're off, and oh, they did quite well there. What's going to happen? What's the score going to be? A 202.4. That's only fifth. And I thought it would be contending for a podium. Carmine Crusaders into our final two runners now. They have two podium finishes, just like in the qualifiers, but the qualifiers they were mid-pack, while here they are doing quite well. But what will their final score be? It's a 202.0, that's only seventh. A lot of 202s I've been seeing, and Blood Eyes podiumed every single event so far. How will they do? Two slowing down, and that is not going to be challenging. That one member though got really far, but the other two behind didn't get really anywhere. No, it's just one, but the two also there were not great either. And that was only a 65.9, 187.9, and we're looking down at the course to see our podium finishers. Honey Bears on top, followed by the Gear Grinders and the Scream Strikers. Congrats. Honey Bears needed this with a sort of disastrous start of the season compared to what they had in the qualifiers. So they really needed this. We will see the full results here. Honey Bears 2 centimeters ahead of the Gear Grinders Scream Strikers then. And we went all the way down, and in the overall standings, Blood Eyes are in the lead with 69 points, 12 points as the Carmine Crusaders, who jumped 3 places. Sapphire Squad holding on to third, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.